To schedule an appointment, click the Schedule New Session button. Next, pick a customized service your organization has created which can have a designated price or let the provider change it at their discretion. Select the session type from a traditional telemedicine visit to in-person or chat only. You can select Meet Now, and it will select the current day and time, or pick a day from the calendar and select an available time slot. Next, click the checkboxes to assign documents. Then click the Next Step Participant Details button at the bottom of the window. To add a participant or device to the appointment, click the Select or Invite a Participant button. If it is a participant or device you have had a prior appointment with before, they will be in your list of participants, so simply type in their name to find them or the device. If they are new, then click Add New Participant and enter their details. Notifications can be sent to an email address or a device that can receive text messages. Scroll down and click the Invite button at the bottom of the window. Appointments can have many participants. To add one, click the Add Participants button. We are going to add someone new, so click Add New Participant, enter their details, and then click Add to Session. From your dashboard, click on an appointment to launch the MedCart. To add a device, click the up arrow next to Devices. Then click Add Device. In this example, we are setting up an exam scope. To select the device, click on the camera drop-down menu and add it. But if you were setting up a stethoscope, it would show up as a microphone, and you would change that here. To hear the stethoscope, you would also change the speaker settings to a set of headphones. But since this is a video device, we want to listen to the provider on the other end through our speakers. If this device worked with a third-party app, you would select its destination by clicking Select and then finding it with your File Explorer. To finalize the device, click Save. Select the device by picking it from the list. This engages the exam scope, and we are able to see it on our video feed, while it also streams to anyone else in the appointment. To take a screenshot, click the screenshot icon. Screenshots will save to the appointment to be retrieved at any time. To stop the exam scope, click the Stop Exam Scope button. If you have a compatible vitals monitoring device, you can also stream that information to anyone in the appointment. To do this, click the Vitals button. This will launch the interface, and you can now use any attachments such as a pulse oximeter, blood pressure cuff, thermometer, and more. From your dashboard, click on an appointment to bring up its details. Then click the Manage Session drop-down menu to reveal the options. Here you can add the appointment to an external calendar, add a participant to the meeting, edit the session details, reschedule, and schedule next, which works well for recurring appointments. Remind All sends a notification with links to the meeting to all participants. By default, the system sends one when an appointment is created, then 2 hours before a session, and a final notification 10 minutes before the scheduled appointment time. Our fully encrypted HIPAA-compliant chat system lets you safely send or receive messages and files between you and the participants. Session history lets you see when the appointment was created, when participants were added, which documents were assigned, among other details. Cancel Session sends a notification to the participants that the appointment has been canceled and removes it from your dashboard.
From the provider dashboard, click on a past appointment. This brings out the session details where you can access the visit summary report and data collected by the MedCart through attached peripherals. Clicking on MedCart will let you see all the vitals that were recorded during the session. If you click on Visit Summary Report and then click Generate automatically, you will see the entire transcript on the right. The system recognizes different speakers. Click on the drop-down and assign who the audio belongs to. This will update throughout the conversation. To make sure things are correct, click and listen to the segment of audio.
So how has your blood pressure been over the past few weeks?
Segments of audio can be played, or at the top, click play and listen to the whole appointment's audio.
It's been high, especially at night.
The full audio clip can be played at different speeds and search to find an exact spot in the recording. The searched word will be highlighted. Machine learning artificial intelligence will handle the work of collecting the information important for the visit summary report while parsing out the natural rapport building parts of the conversation. AI has organized the information into different sections. Clicking on it will highlight it in the full transcript on the right. To add something to the transcript, mouse over the text and click on the plus symbol. Both text or vitals recordings are available. A prescription that was not spoken of during the appointment has been added. Click the check symbol to place it into the visit summary report. To add a vitals recording, click the plus symbol, then click the vitals recordings button. After that, scroll to the top on the right and click vitals recordings. Now find the desired data and click add to report. Clicking the complete button at the top finalizes the process. The report is then saved to the appointment and can be edited or viewed at any time. While viewing the report, the audio or a PDF version of the visit summary report can be downloaded.
From your dashboard, click the Providers button to reveal the providers in your organization. Click Schedule next to the provider's name you want to schedule an appointment for. This takes you to their dashboard where you can see their currently scheduled appointments. Click Schedule New Session and follow the steps on creating an appointment. After logging in or creating an account, click the Request Appointment button. Select an option that makes sense for your needs. I am going to select Therapy and then Physical Therapy, which takes me to the list of providers. Click on a provider's name to view their availability. After picking a date and time slot, write a note and then click Request Appointment. The request has been sent to the provider to review. After the provider has accepted the request, you will receive a notification by text or email and the appointment will appear on your dashboard. At any time, follow the link in your notifications back to your dashboard. When the time comes for the appointment, click Launch Session if you have already completed all required documents or payments. That example was how to request an appointment for another time. But if what you need is immediate help and the organization offers it, click Request Appointment and then select On Demand. Grandma has fallen and she can't get up, so I am going to select Physical Ailment or Accident. An organization can label these options whatever they want, so the buttons may not read the same as this example. Next, I am going to write a message and click Request Appointment. This will send a notification to all those within an organization that can assist you, so whomever is available can accept the request and see you shortly. Once the request has been accepted, it will show up on your dashboard as an appointment, so make sure you fill out any required documents, make payments, and then click Launch Session. This will automatically launch Zoom if it is on your device or connect you via your browser. This depends on how the organization has chosen to meet with participants. Open your email notification. For this example, we are connecting with Dr. Smith, but this button will have the name of the provider you have an appointment with. Click Connect with Dr. Smith. This will launch a web browser and take you to your participant dashboard. Here you will be able to see the details about your appointment, RSVP, chat with the provider, make a payment, and fill out documents that can be required before the Launch Session button becomes active. We have a document that is required before our session, so to fill it out, click Complete Document. Read and fill out the document and then scroll to the bottom to sign it. If you do not like your signature, click Clear Signature and try again. Once you are happy with the results, click Submit Document. As we can see, the Launch Session button is now active, but let's send a message and a file to the provider by using the chat feature. Click Chat and enter a message, then hit Return on your keyboard or click the Send Message icon. To send a file, click the paperclip icon. This launches our File Explorer. Once the file is found, select it and click Open. To download a file, click on it and it will automatically download to your device. After clicking the link in the email or text notification you received when your provider sent you a chat, you will be taken to your participant dashboard. Chat messages and files are fully encrypted, so it is the best way to send and receive sensitive information with your provider. Next, select the session chat with your provider's name. At the bottom of the screen, type in your message and hit enter on your keyboard or click the Send Chat icon. To send a file from your device, click the paperclip icon. This will launch your File Explorer, and once you find the file you want to attach to the chat, click Open. Chat messages are instant, so if you have the window open and your provider is available, you will see their replies. If you have left your dashboard, click on the notification again to re-enter. To download a file, simply click on it in the chat window and it will save to your device.